San Blas Islands, Isla Aroma. The San Blas Islands of Panama is an archipelago consisting of about 365 islands and cays, of which 49 are inhabited. One of those is Isla Aroma, a very tiny island off the east coast of Panama. I arrived there by way of a Windstar cruise and spent a long day there. Windstar Cruises has a tradition where they have a beach day on an island. This consists of anchoring near the island, tendering passengers to the shore, bringing kayaks and paddle boats to the beach, and setting up a huge barbecue for everyone. On this Panama Canal cruise, our beach day was set up on Isla Aroma, and it was a glorious day. As I said, the island is very, very small. You could completely circumnavigate it in about 15 minutes. The beach was wonderful, and the water very blue and clear. There were plentiful lounge chairs lining the shore, but you could also find some quieter areas if you just walked a short distance down the beach. A friend and I got in a two-seater kayak and paddled halfway around the island and then back. Loved it. I had heard that the snorkeling wasn't great on the island, but I brought my gear anyway. I actually loved the snorkeling. The fish weren't plentiful, but there were some very pretty ones, as well as some interesting coral. Of course, the water was pleasantly warm, so you can enjoy a relaxing day in and out of the water. Now, the island has a small number of inhabitants that live in some pretty rustic huts. On this day, they set up a mola display, and we were encouraged to purchase something to support the local economy. They also had some local dancers perform for us. Very fun. I walked around the entire island, and there were just some amazingly beautiful perspectives. Eventually, the big barbecue opened with a huge display of food, coconut drinks, and some rum punch for everyone. I was one of the last ones to leave the island. I thoroughly enjoyed this day. The island, beach, and ocean were simply intoxicating. I understand there are boat tours from Panama City that will take you to Isla Roma. If a cruise ship isn't there, I imagine you'd have the entire island mostly to yourself. As always, if you have questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. I have posted numerous videos from this Caribbean and Panama Canal trip and have left links in the description below. Please check out the Senior Solo Travel website and Facebook forum where you can interact with other travelers. And if you'd like to follow my senior and solo travel journeys, please like and subscribe. Next stop, the Panama Canal.